Find the root of the quadratic equation by factorization. So first thing is given. We're looking at 100x square minus 20x plus 1 is equal to 0. Now we have to factorization. So we have to look into the coefficients and think about what kind of factorization we can do. See, there are two ways of doing it: splitting the middle term, if not, using the identity. So one of the problems I've spoken about how we can use identity. So herein, I would like to use identity rather than splitting the middle term, because it's quite obvious that 100 is nothing but 10 square and 1 is nothing but 1 square. So after writing in standard form, if you look at the coefficients and the constant, the coefficient and the constant is square of some number, by default it's related to some identity, right? So I can write 100 as 10 square into x square minus 20x, just copy the middle term, plus 1 square is equal to 0. Now rewrite it as 10x the whole square minus 2 into the middle term, sorry, the first term into the last term, right? Okay, so whatever the square root of the last term is, that into square root of the first term into 2 minus 2, in this case minus 2. This will give me minus 20x, so it's correct. And this is related to our identity. What identity? A square minus 2ab plus b square. And this is nothing but a minus b the whole square. Okay, so this is 10x minus 1 the whole square, is it not? Quite simple, right? Now we have to find the zeros, that's all. So to find the zeros, I'll equate 10x minus 1 to 0. 10x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 10. So finally, you have alpha is equal to 1 by 10, and even beta is 1 by 10. Simple reason being, something square, anything square can be written as that particular expression 2 times being multiplied, right? If you split the middle term and do it, even then you'll get the same answer. Here, this way too, we got the same answer. So this is we did it with using identity. Okay, so it's left to you guys what you want to do. But I would prefer, whenever you see square of numbers, please do so. Don't go the splitting the middle way. It's a bit too lengthy. So I don't prefer to write it over here and explain it to you guys. Okay, it's left to you, but my preference is using identity. So you can pause and have a look.